Hey, this is Munib, growth strategist from Growth Beyond Horizon, and today we'll talk about brand approval. Brand approval is one of the biggest roadblocks for Amazon sellers in 2025, and most beginners fail simply because they don't understand how Amazon evaluates legitimacy. In this video, I am going to walk you through a clean, step by step brand approval strategy that I personally use and also teach to sellers. First, you need to understand Amazon's mindset. They want proof that you are a real reseller working with real traceable suppliers. That means your first priority should be sourcing from authorized distributors, wholesalers, or brand approved partners. Always avoid websites like eBay, AliExpress, or any supplier that cannot issue a proper invoice. Your invoice should clearly show your name, address, order date, product details, and a minimum of 10 units. Make sure the formatting is clean and the supplier's information matches their website because Amazon manually checks this. Next, update your business details inside Seller Central before uploading anything. Your business address, name, and phone number must match the invoice exactly. Most rejections happen because of mismatched details, not because of the invoice itself. After that, prepare your invoice by highlighting the ASIN, UPC, or model number so the reviewer can identify it instantly. Submit the invoice along with a short professional explanation saying that you are an authorized reseller purchasing directly from a verified distributor. Keep it simple, clean, and professional. If Amazon rejects the first attempt, don't panic. This is normal. Just correct whatever they highlighted, request a revised invoice from your supplier if needed, and resubmit confidently. The sellers who win approvals fast are the ones who follow a clean process without over complimenting it. If you follow this workflow, you will start unlocking brands consistently and safely. If you want more Amazon growth systems and strategies, hit the like and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next video.